Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. 2021 Can-Am SPYDER F3 Limited SE6 with 4,378 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a pedal commander, MTB manufacturing passenger seat, a front sway bar, F4 windshield fog lights, bar ends, foam grip covers, passenger armrests, and a luggage rack. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, reverse, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. The SPYDER is a dynamic vehicle that gives riders the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 1300cc 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 988 pounds and has a 26.8-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.